Alright guys, so I'm going to do a really quick video. If you love watching crochet videos day in and day out like me, and maybe you're just interested in trying to figure out how you can do your own, you definitely want to stay tuned and watch this video. Alright guys, so I am back with another video. I got a few videos I'm going to record for you guys today. And you know, I kind of looked over my channel, kind of evaluated life. And it seems that most people who watch my channel either love the crochet videos or they love like the tea and the gossip 5-minute, quick videos. So I think I want to go back to my roots, which is this right here. So, as I always say in all my videos that have anything to do with crochet, so you guys know that I have been doing crochet braids since about 2012, 2013. Y'all see the video. Anyway, so today I'm just going to give you guys some really good tips about crochet braids. And the reason why, every time I have a conversation with somebody, and majority of the time people don't even know. I could be in a beauty supply because, I spend at least about 45 minutes in the beauty supply because I need to look at every single hair, make sure I ain't already wear it before, think of a hairstyle, YouTube the hair to see if anybody else wore it yet. It's a process. So even when I start random conversations with people in the beauty supply, it always ends up being this really deep conversation about crochet hair. In my opinion, it is the easiest style anybody could wear, anytime, anywhere, unless you are just completely not that good when it comes to doing your own hair. Anybody can do this. I'm not about to pay the $100, $200, $300. Ain't no, nah. I can't even, no. Just nah. Like, I stick to like the bundles or the frontals maybe for the professionals, but crochet, no. You can do this, boo-boo. You can do this. So today I'm going to just make a really quick video, giving you a few tips that I stick by and I stand by when it comes to doing crochet braids. Now, you can always watch all these videos online and they will tell you, yeah, braid your hair straight to the back, or have somebody here braid your hair to the back, and this is how you do the loop, and just put it, but they never really give you the pure details. A lot of people that I know or I've showed how to do crochet braids like over Snapchat. Yes, I've taught people, show people how to do some crochet braids over Snapchat. I don't know. It's a million videos you can watch, but for some reason people are more comfortable with me telling them than actually watching a particular YouTube video. Anyway, so there are some really good tips that I feel like I need to tell people when it comes to crochet braids, because you're making it more complicated than it needs to be. Now, the number one thing that people have an issue with when it comes to crochet hair is making it too big. Okay, now you see my hair is kind of poofy now. It's not really that big, but it's a cute big. But if I wanted to, I could have made this bigger. But a lot of people don't realize that just because you buy 7 packs don't mean you need to use 7 packs. So one of the number one tips I have when it comes to doing crochet braids is the top of your head is the priority. And what do I mean by that? Yes, you could buy 6 or 7 packs just in case, but the fact of the matter is you only should be putting 1, maybe 1.5 of packs of hair in the back of your head. People tend to want to put some crochet hair on every little section in the back, every little section. Then you got the back of your head that end up like this. Then you got 2 packs of hair left and it's looking like, where's your hair? So 1, the priority is the top of your hair. That's where the majority of your pack should go all the time. Even if you want to, if you was really smart, I would work from the front then to the back. People find it comfortable to just start in the back, but I will work from the front to the back and do the back of your hair last, just in case you run out of packs of hair, because you can always flip your hair back and ain't nobody got to see the back of your hair. So that's number one. Top is priority. Okay, so tip number 2. Now this tip I really think is important, but you guys should really learn the difference between the over and the under loops. Now if you guys can look through videos and they'll show you how to do the invisible part, but let me show you. Let me get this. If you put your crochet braids in this way, meaning you looped it this way and pull it through, it's gonna look different than when you do it like this. Every time it's gonna look different between whether you did it with your left hand or do you do it from the right side, where you flipped it upwards or backwards. Like, it makes a difference. And it makes a difference of whether or not the top of the knot is going to show or the underneath is going to show. And again, you guys can look through some videos, and even when they do like the invisible crochet method, you can definitely tell with the invisible crochet method. And it's so many different ways, but it's really important mainly for you to know it does make a difference on how you actually put your crochet needle in there. There is a lot of trial and error that you can go through when you change your hair every week. And now this hair I got in my hair right now, I'm actually going to do a video on this hair next, but I just wanted to do these quick things, so I'm going to actually do a video on this hair next. So number 3 things that's so important when it comes to crochet. All crochet hair is synthetic hair, all of it. So you're always going to have some type of knotting, or maybe it's a little bit of matting, or depending on what your hair is, depending on what hair you got. All crochet hair is pretty goodly priced. Goodly, that ain't even a word. Most crochet hair has a good price, but you're always going to have it like a back where you need to do trimming. And when I say trimming, I don't mean keep cutting it short. I mean just like literally go through and see if there's any, knots or kinks. If you feel a knot, don't try to pull it out. Cut it out. It's big puffy hair. You're not losing anything. Okay, so that's number 3. So trimming so far, learn the difference between the over and the under on your crochet needle, and definitely top is priority. If you don't take nothing else, top is priority. Okay, so number 4. Washing. This is what they don't tell you. It's not hard to wash crochet braids, especially if you want to really make it last a long time. It is not hard to wash them. How I wash mine, I will take it in 3 to 4 sections, twist it in those sections, okay, and then wash my hair. The next number 5 tip is, don't let these people tell you your braid pattern don't matter, because braid patterns matter. Okay, if you got a braid pattern that's a circle like a beehive, your hair is just going to be all the way around, no parts showing. It's going to look like a curly fro wig or something like that. If you just braid your hair straight to the back, you might have a chance where you might have open spaces. If you don't close them up, you're going to need to sew the back up. Or braiding pattern matters. Like even for a style like this, you want to do small braids or maybe closer braids on one side, and then you can do bigger braids up here on the top, because that's where most of your hair is going to go. So don't ever let people tell you that you can just do any braid pattern. Braiding patterns matter. Simple as that. And last but not least, when it comes to purchasing hair for your crochet braids, get you a hair that is a mixture of Qusic-Surfer. I'm gonna say what I want to say, y'all. Qusic-Surfer, Qusic-Surfer and toy cockling. You want to get hair that is a mixture of those two. Yes, we all know that all synthetic hair is Qusic-Surfer, but when you get a mixture of the Qusic-Surfer and the toy cockling, you have a more better texture, a more natural look. It's not too shiny. Trust me, you guys, when I say you want to get a mixture of that hair, it looks better. Even when everybody was wearing no twists, that hair that was that twist hair was Canna Cochran and Toy Cochran mix. So I definitely want to check out those tips. If you need to, or rewind to the beginning and listen to this again. So the top tips is priority. Okay, learn the difference between over and under when it comes to using your crochet needle. Trimming is very important, if not every few days, at least once or twice a week. Washing, don't be afraid to wash your crochet hair. This ain't no bundles. You ain't got nothing to do, nothing special. Wash the stuff and keep it moving. Braiding pattern matter, and the type of hair, Canna Cochran, Toy Cochran mix is the most important. So that was my video, you guys. I'm all done for the day. So that was a video about my crochet tips that I think is the most important. I could talk all day about crochet here, but those are my top tips for people, beginners, and maybe people who've been doing it for years when it comes to doing crochet braids. Alright guys, I'm out. Don't forget, you can follow me on all social media. The links are in the info box. And thank you for watching.